So hi guys, in this X-ray we will be discussing about orthopantomogram. So orthopantomogram, as we all know, is a panoramic dental X-ray that captures the maxilla, mandible, teeth, temporomandibular joint in one single image. So in this video we will discuss a very few basics about the OPG, and then we will read one OPG of fracture mandible. So these days we commonly see only the CT scans and more so the 3D CTs. We rarely ever see the orthopantomograms, but nevertheless it has got its own set of advantages. We will encounter OPGs in clinical practice. So now we will see and read one OPG. We will try and identify the different structures in the OPG. Orbit, same thing over here. This is the floor of the orbit. Then we have the median. So this line over here is the hard palate. Now we have seen the orbit, maxilla, pterygoid plate, septum, palate. Let us go to the mandible now. So while identifying, I think these are the important structures from our point as plastic surgeons, which we encounter in clinical practice and also which are discussed in Viva. From here on the Viva, you can take the Viva for the clinical aspects and the questions in a different video. So I think that was all about the important aspects of an OPG. Thank you.